So your suspension. Hope you like the brake pipes. That's in the top here, which is above the tank, so that will be covered by the tank, so you can't see that anymore. That's the fuel, the brake line from the underneath. That again will be covered by a heat shield, so you won't see that as well. And yeah, as we know, the brakes were done last time and everything. Alright, so even engine mounts, all three of them are brand new. This one, this one, and this one as well. So the car will be driving like a brand new car, pretty much. Got no much left as an old car. Here I use some of the nuts we got from the bolted suspension we got last time. So the new clip here, got lots of brand new shiny parts on it. And that's it. Have a good evening, cheers.